Raise your hand if you've ever picked up your phone just for a second, and 47 minutes later, you're still scrolling, eyes burning, wondering where the night went. You didn't lose track of time. You walked into a casino. Every slot machine in Las Vegas is free. No quarters, no player cards, just you and the lever. The house should be bankrupt. Instead, they're richer than ever. Because in this building, you aren't gambling money. You're trading your attentional capital. We call it doomscrolling. Software engineers have a more precise name, an intermittent reinforcement engine running on a variable ratio reinforcement schedule, the single most effective conditioning loop ever discovered. If a perfect meme or vital news tip hit exactly every 5 swipes, you'd get bored, too predictable. But because the reward is completely randomized, your brain stays in high alert scanning mode. Your saliency network lights up and dumps raw signals straight into the nucleus accumbens. This creates a relentless reward prediction error loop.
The algorithm keeps your brain chasing the frictionless uncertainty of what's next, not the content itself. You don't crave the posts, you crave the pull of the lever. Eventually, you hit dopaminergic pathway exhaustion. You're not tired from thinking. You're exhausted from the brutal cognitive friction of constant anticipation. The house wins because they deleted the exits. Pick up a physical book, flip to the end of a chapter, and stare at that blank white space. That is a stopping cue, a physical boundary that forces a micro moment of reflection. Am I done here? Modern apps use persuasive technology and dark patterns to strip those cues away. Infinite scroll turns your feed into a horizon that moves as fast as you do. You're eating from Cornell's famous bottomless soup bowl. Researchers proved people ate 70% more when the bowl silently refilled, never feeling full. You haven't lost your willpower, you've lost your walls. Casinos remove clocks and windows to keep you in timeless flow. Your phone does the same with supernormal stimuli. Those hyper-saturated red notification badges are neon signs engineered to hijack your attention. It's time for defensive UX. Kill the neon. Turn your phone to grayscale mode. The variable rewards stay, but the look at me alarm gets muffled. Break the lever pull reflex. Use choice architecture. Put a mechanical kitchen timer on your desk. When it dings, the stopping cue is acoustic and unavoidable, not another swipeable notification. Build a digital mudroom. In real architecture, the mudroom is where you leave the dirt before entering the sanctuary. Charge your phone outside the bedroom. Don't let the casino floor manager set your baseline dopamine before your prefrontal cortex even wakes up. Replace the palate cleanser. After hard cognitive work, your brain wants a break. Reaching for the phone is like cleaning your palate with battery acid. Keep a high tactile, low friction object exactly where you used to scroll. A Rubik's Cube, sketchpad, or physical puzzle.
Give your hands a tactile loop with a clear physical end state. The platforms win when your environment is frictionless. When you kill the neon, move the charger, and install a physical timer, you aren't just trying harder to focus. You are literally changing the physics of the room. Pick one adjustment today. Reinstall the walls, cash out, and leave the casino.